Credit Karma is a free online service that provides users with access to their credit scores, credit reports, and personalized financial recommendations. Here's how to use Credit Karma effectively. Sign up. Visit the Credit Karma website or download the Credit Karma app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up for an account using your email address. Access credit scores. Once logged in, you can view your TransUnion and Equifax credit scores for free. Credit Karma also provides explanations of factors influencing your scores. Check credit reports. Access your TransUnion and Equifax credit reports to review your credit history, including accounts, inquiries, and payment history. Receive alerts. Credit Karma offers credit monitoring services that alert you to changes in your credit report, such as new accounts opened or inquiries made. Explore financial tools. Use Credit Karma's financial tools and calculators to estimate loan payments. Explore credit card options and plan for major financial decisions. Review recommendations. Credit Karma provides personalized recommendations for improving your credit score, managing debt, and saving money based on your financial profile. Stay informed. Stay updated on changes to your credit profile and financial health by regularly checking your Credit Karma account and monitoring alerts.